Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you, it's basically like a collective haul. I've been to several stores. I've had this stuff on my desk for quite some time and I need to make room. So I'm going to give you the haul that I did. So on Gail Patricia's Dollar Tree Haul and More, she hauled these wood Scrabble tiles and they were from Amazon. So I got these. I think they were just under $30. We get 500 pieces, and I wanted to do some Christmas, like ornament type things and that. So I saw her haul that, so I said, well, I gotta have that. So love that, and I believe she also did these corks. I'm not sure if these were the ones or not, but I saw some things on Pinterest that I wanted to create. Hopefully I'll get to it, but I don't really have a lot of Christmas stuff in my stash here in my craft room, because last year I was doing all things for craft fairs, and the craft fair that I go into every year was not open due to COVID this year, so I didn't get to do any of those crafts that I normally make. And so anyway, these are two things that I'm looking to do some crafts on, so let's share that. Then I went to my regular craft store. It's not a craft store, it's a fabric store that's by myself and Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts. It's a fabric store there, Atlantic Fabrics. And so I went in there to grab some things for a swap that I'm doing. And then I found these little mini wood accents. And look how adorable they are. Look at that. They're just little wood pieces. So you have the gingerbread house like Santa, Mrs. Claus. And then I just noticed it had the red fire truck on it. So you can see it in the background there. And they have the little dimensional stickers on the back. And then they had these ones here. And, you know, they're really cute, adorable wooden pieces. And you could still put them on cards and that. So I thought they were great. And they were only $1.97 each. And then they had these stickers, and they're felt pieces, and they're just the presents, and I thought that would also be cute on cards and that. So I did those. These are not Christmas related, but I found these really cute handmade flowers. They're only $2.47, but look how adorable they are. They have two different flowers on it, and they're just offset from one another. And they're self-adhesive, so $2.47. Love the color combo. And I saw these wooden coaster set. Now, by Sweet Tea and Grace, my twinsy Samantha, she had gifted me in the summertime some coasters, and they were absolutely amazing. I love them, and they're in my camper. And I wanted to, I'm not sure I'm going to use them as coasters, but thought they'd be a great little thing maybe to add some Christmas pieces on that you can just make as a stand, or maybe coaster with Christmas pieces on underneath. So I thought I would just give it a whirl and see, or put it away as I usually do for next year. Then I found these two gold key ring clips. So they got the lobster clasp on it, and there's two pieces, and you have the split ring there as well. So that was really good, and it's a swivel one, so even better. And $1.47 each, and I love that they're gold. I also found these bead funnel trays. I don't have one of these, and I organize my beads all the time. So, and when I do use them, when I do my breast cancer awareness stuff, I have them like in this container when I do my mixtures. So I thought it would be great, you know, to have, you know, put my mixtures in here and put them into the containers, because I keep these containers and reuse them. So I thought that was a really cute idea. I've seen them bigger, but I like that it was small. It was only $1, I think that said 97. Now, I've been looking for these craft clamps. I've seen people haul the smaller ones, but I couldn't find the smaller one, so I got the heavy-duty 3 big ones, and that would be good for a couple of my projects that I have, and to make sure that they stay. But yeah, so I thought those would be perfect. So $1.97. And then I went into Michael's quickly and I found these paper flowers. And not found them. I use them all the time. And I was getting low. So on the good colors that I really like. So I just went and bought some more and just used my 30% off coupon. So now I have those to replenish. And then they had these little washi tape, red, green, and gold, and it was only $2.99. It is kind of expensive, but it'll be good where I'm going to get ready to do some Christmas cards. And then the last thing I'll show you, no, actually it's not. I actually have a Walmart and a Shoppers thing. So in Walmart, I found these really super adorable poly envelope with front pocket. Look how cute these are. So it has a pocket in the front and it zips. So you have that, and that part's see-through. And you have a little piece up here as well. And then you also have this piece up here. So I like that it was pastel-y color. So be good for Happy Mail, or I might even use it for organizing. So when I do change my room, I want to have it with this mint color. So I thought about maybe have these and just keep them until I decide, you know, when I'm going to paint my room and that. But I got those. They were only $1, I think 47 each. So that's not bad at all. And it's 12 4/5 inches by 9 4/5. So they do expand a little bit, but thought they would be really cute. And I think it might look really cute with Happy Mail because you can put something up here as well. So I'm liking that. Usually at the craft fairs, I like making hot cocoa packages, gift packages and that. So I thought in Happy Mail it might be good to do a couple of those up. So I got my hot chocolate. My mom and I went to Walmart and I found these Whiskers Fringe scissors, and they cut like that for the, you know, you can do the tassels and that. And I just thought it would be easier. I'll take them out there. This was the only color that they had, but I thought that'd be great to do something. Let's see how it cut. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, I'm impressed. Okay, that's great. I love that it's even because when I cut it, it's all over the place. So that is perfect. I'm glad I found those. These were actually $20, but we all know that Whiskers is a good quality product. So I'm really super excited about that. And I got these die cuts here. I was thinking about making some slim cards, maybe with some shakers. I'm not sure yet. But I wanted to give these ones a try. These were $15 at Walmart. Unfortunately, I don't get a discount or anything, but thought I would also try these ones back. And I just noticed you can earn money with your feedback, so that might be a great idea. All right, so that, and we found these little poinsettias. Aren't they beautiful? They're all glittered up, and they're just twist ties on the back, so that'd be great to add on to something. Really pretty. And then I went to Shoppers and got a couple things, so, and then I'll be done with this haul. My hubby and my daughter really love the dark chocolate oranges. Well, he likes the dark chocolate and she likes the milk chocolate. I don't really care for them. Yeah, anyway, I do love chocolate, but I don't care for it in these. But anyway, they always have to have one every year, so I got that. So I got that out of the way. As I mentioned, I like doing stuff like with craft fair with food, like wrapping them. So I got some marshmallow tree covered in milk chocolate. Oh yeah, that's so good. And then I found these were only 99 cents, but these are ginormous. Look how big those candy canes are. And this was Shoppers. So yeah, so I wanted to share that with you so I can get that put away. And I am going to have some Dollarama hauls for you coming up. Bye, guys.